Hi, I'm Jackie from BN Multi and welcome to the weight loss surgery journey. We're here to support you along the way in all the different stages. The first stage, soon after surgery, you'll need liquids and purees as well as a multivitamin. Our multis are designed specifically for bariatric patients and you do need a supplement for life after surgery. The first solution is our chewable multi, designed for solubility. It also has a wide range of nutrients as well as higher doses of those that you can no longer absorb. Your protein needs are hugely important after surgery, basically needed for recovery as well as retaining muscle and losing as much fat as possible. Our WPI protein powder has high levels of leucine, which help with muscle retention and encourage recovery and fat loss. Another solution are the Formulite range of meal replacements. These have a total range of nutrients which act as a full meal replacement. Next, we have a range of protein waters. Offering no other nutrition outside of protein, they're a great addition to water in between meals. Make sure you're reaching your protein needs every day. BN fibre is a great addition to water, tea and coffee, any kind of fluid. It's totally soluble and undetectable and it helps to keep you regular. Also supports the microbiome, and this one's been proven to increase your calcium absorption by up to 12%. Head to our online store at bnmulti.com and grab yourself an intro pack. It has everything you'll need for that first stage after you come home.